You're watching Chef Club.
Put the ricotta on the top and some garlic confit. Questo è il top, è il top. A little bit of rosmarino, it's like per il profumo, e pepe, my friend, pepe. Spatola e andiamo a spalmare dappertutto. Ma guardate che bello. Ok, molto semplice. Coltello, 1, 2, 3, and now I go to close. Shoal and a little bit of flour here to take my snake. I go to the side like this. I take him and I come here around the glasses like this. Bellissimo, cacchio. Perfetto. Olio extravergine d'oliva and some herbs to the 1, 2 e 3. Now I go to the oven for 30 minutes. And bread is ready, guys. What you put this, I put in the table. First one, second, third one. Now take the tomatoes. And guys, I put some tomatoes in the jar, like this. Ok, perfetto. Olive oil, salt, white onion, così, perfetto. E the rain of basilico, vodka. Go to close this, così, e shaker. Perfect. We start to the other tomatoes. I go take off the middle, and now I put off all. Now we can put all together in the water for 10 seconds, and this one for 30 minutes. And some tomatoes is ready. I take off for the hot water and I put in the cold water. Take tomatoes, I put in my, and I take off the skin like this. Questo è uno spettacolo. I put inside with the other and I take the creme of burrata. This is Italy. Questa è l'Italia, ragazzi. Simple, fast and good. After, I can take the tomatoes inside the jar. I put here. And we go to mix all together. And la salsa is ready. Andiamo. Salsa alla vodka. On the middle and the third. Tomatoes. I'm going to put on the top.
So we've got our proofed pizza dough here. We're just going to let that slowly use the pan to flatten the dough out. Get it all the edges here. Now we've got our vodka bottle, and we're just going to shake these olives, and it's really going to enhance the fruitiness of them and really bring out the flavor. And now we're just going to place this bottle right in the center, and now we're just going to add a few more olives. And now I've got some dried oregano here, and we're just going to shake this right over the dough, Italian herbs, and now we're just going to place this ramekin right here, and that's going to create a little well. And now I've got some dried oregano. I've got some roasted peppers here, red bell, yellow bell, and green bell peppers. And now last but not least, we've got our mozzarella cheese here. And we're just gonna toss these slices, again, fresh mozzarella. It's gonna be beautiful. Now we're gonna take this to proof it again for an hour. We go into a 350-degree oven, and now we'll go on to our next step with our vodka. Got Parmigiano Reggiano here. We're going to sprinkle this out in a nice even layer. Now we're going to shape this just like this bottle here. We're shaping our Parmesan crust, and now our vodka is going to go into the pan with the caramelized onions. Now our bottle is going to go right on here. Now we've got roasted garlic, this whole head. We're going to squeeze that right into the sauce here. And now we've got tomato puree and heavy cream. We're going to let that simmer. Now our penne pasta is going to go right onto our plancha. We're going to let that warm up. Carefully our vodka sauce. And now we're going to top it off with some beautiful fresh basil leaves. Now we take our penne alla vodka boat, penne alla vodka in our Parmesan bottle here. We're going to remove our ramekins, and now we've got more vodka sauce. And now we've got our pancetta, and now we've got Italian sausage that's going to go into this other well right here. Our vodka bottle right out, look at that, leaves a nice little well. And now we're going to take penne alla vodka, Parmesan boat, beautiful. Now we've got chopped parsley and basil that's just going to go right on the sides there, and there you have it. Tune in for chefclub.tv for another episode.